here's the larynx. The larynx is attached superiorly to the hyoid bone, and inferiorly it's attached to the trachea. So the larynx is basically all cartilage. The big cartilage is the thyroid cartilage. There's two plates and they come together here, and the point is called the laryngeal prominence. You guys know this as your Adam's apple. So the thyroid cartilage is the biggest. It does not make a complete circle. The one inferior to it is called the cricoid cartilage. The cricoid cartilage does make a complete circle. So it's small in the anterior, expands in the back. So all this is cricoid cartilage. Yeah, anyways, it's the only one that makes a complete circle. What you can see also here in the front is the ligament. So this is going to be the thyrohyoid ligament. And then we have the thyroid membrane. That's just expands to the back. So this side should also have it, but it doesn't in the model. Staying with the front, let's just go here. So this piece of membrane is going to be the cricothyroid membrane. This little piece of attachment from the larynx to the trachea is going to be the cricotracheal ligament. So we have two of those. We have the thyroid gland. When we turn to the back, we're going to have an epiglottis. So the epiglottis is elastic cartilage, so it's really rubbery, and when you swallow, this gets pushed down and covers up the glottis. So the glottis would be the space between the vocal cords. The vocal cords here are represented by these little flaps of tissue. The vocal cords are attached to the arytenoid cartilage, so the really big piece of cartilage that swivels is the arytenoid. And then the other part of the vocal cord attaches to the thyroid cartilage, so it's between the thyroid and arytenoid. On top of your two arytenoid cartilages, there's a smaller piece of cartilage called the corniculate that looks like a little talon right there. And what's not shown, that's it for this model, but what's not shown is another piece of cartilage called the cuneiform cartilage, and that would be like situated in this area. So it's also part of the larynx, but it's not in the model.